So good evening to all. Hope everyone is doing good. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about two penny stocks that we can buy at the current market levels. So first, we'll try to analyze the complete fundamental point of view, and then we'll try to discuss the complete technicals. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the important updates followed by all the stock news as well. So let's start with the first penny stock. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss is going to be Pulsar International. So this is also a very old company. It's not completely a new startup type of a company, but it is mainly involved in like trading of imports, exports, finance, and followed by consultancy. So you can see the basic details about the company. So where does it work, and what are the basic details, everything it's clearly mentioned here. And main businesses imports and exports. So if you see the market cap, it is a very small company. You can call it as a micro cap company, because obviously penny stocks, in the sense their market capitalization will obviously be less. So you can see market cap is only around 71.9 crore, and if you see current price is around 11.11 rupees. So recently also few corporate actions happened in it, split also happened, and currently it is trading around 11 rupees. So that is also mentioned here. Next, if you see high and low of the stock is around 13 rupees and low is around 6 rupees. Stock P is around 40. And most important thing, if you see the return on capital employed and return on equity, so these are around 35.4% and 25.5%. So very good ROE and ROC, we can see that. And promoter holding is around 10.4%. So these are the basic details about the company. I mean the fundamental details. And if you see the pros and cons, it is almost debt free. So as I mentioned, the most important criteria for any penny stock is the debt. So that is completely debt free. And cons, you can see stock, it is trading around 6.9 times its book value. And few of the negative things are the promoter holding. So that significantly doesn't play much importance, because already it is a very small company. So PE wise, if you try to compare with few of the market leaders, so we can't compare with them, but just for reference point of view, if you see PE wise, it is around 39.95. But most important thing, ROCE wise, if you see, it is at a very good ROCE around 35.36%. So next important thing is the financials. So that if you clearly observe operating profit, so significantly as compared to quarter on quarter basis, we have seen a very good increment. So from 0.2 crore, we have seen 0.76 crore, and profit after tax also has significantly increased. Net profit also is given here. So stable as compared to previous year, you can see it is a turnaround from loss. It has completely gone into the profit making scenario, right? So now let us discuss about the second stock, and then we'll get into the technicals. Okay, so second stock that we're going to discuss is Ratan India Power. So this is a well-known company, not a completely new thing, but recent results wise and also looking at the current technical levels, it is looking very attractive. So this particular company, as you know, it is one of the India's largest power generation company. It has many power plants as well in different locations. So it was incorporated in 2007, and you can see the capacity wise also it is very big, not at all a small size thermal power plants. And if you see the market cap also is big, 8,513 crore, and current price it is trading around 16 rupees. Highs and lows are mentioned. 3 rupees is the low, high is 16, which means the stock is trading around its all-time high, and book value is 8.13. Next, ROC is not there because results wise already I've mentioned. Now recently it has improved a little bit, so that is not mentioned here. Debt is around 3,562. Slightly debt is high, but debt to equity is less than 1, so that is one positive thing we can consider. Promoter holding around 44%, good enough but not that great, but pledging is there, so that is one negative thing we need to consider. Next, if you see, company has almost reduced the debt, so it is trying to reduce that, and few things like I have mentioned, right? Pledging and that is little high in that, and low interest coverage ratio, or few things, so that we can clearly understand these are few negative aspects. So next, if you try to compare with other companies, so P is not there obviously, and if you try to compare ROC is also, it is around 8.18%, right? So now let's see the results also. The recent results, as I've mentioned, a good results are seen here. From loss, you can see from minus 572 we have seen 10,615. So because of that, we have continuously seen stock also is going upside. It is giving that buying opportunity as well. It is not like it is giving a direct upper circuit. So people who want to look at it can look at it. If you're getting a chance, you can purchase it. So now let's get into the technicals. Okay, so first and foremost thing, if you see the daily chart of RTN power, you can see today it has hit the upper circuit. It is trading around 15.85. So chart wise, you can see nice up move is there. So around 10 rupees, I gave this particular stock in the premium group as a penny pick. So people who are already in the premium group, they might be having it. So I told to book some profit, and also initially I told rest they can hold it for long term. So you can see how well it has given a very good return. So now looking at the current levels, easily the stock can hit to 20 rupees in the short term. Okay, and after that my second target would be 25 rupees. So these are the two targets which you can keep in your radar. So next is Pulsar stock. So that stock, you can see currently today it has come down with 5% lower circuit. I mean, directly didn't get any lower circuit, slightly it came down. So my buy level is around 10 rupees. So around 10 rupees, if you are getting this particular stock, you can slightly accumulate it. I'm not telling you to put 100% of a capital, just 50%. Just, I mean, if you have 10,000 rupees, you can put 5,000 in that manner, and slowly if it comes down, you can accumulate it. So don't risk a maximum percentage of portfolio. Hardly 2%, 3% you need to accumulate. That's it, not more than that, because these are little risky stocks, because market capitalization wise, okay, everything is slightly less, so risk might be there. So that thing you need to keep in your radar. Okay, and targets for this particular stock also, I can expect 15 rupees as short term and 20 rupees in the mid-term point of view. So election results are yet to come, so keep all these things in your mind. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.